Hey guys, this is Jay Wilkerson with ICI Homes here in Siena at Town Center. I'm here at Ponte Vedra Golf Carts with Jason. Jason?
Nice to meet you. How you guys
Good
doing?
to see you.
Good to see you.
Jason's given us the honor of having one of his beautiful golf carts here for the afternoon. We're going to take a little tour around the shopping center here, and then we're going to head the 3 blocks over to Siena at Town Center in Nocatee.
Hey guys, so we just finished lunch. We are
Yummy. That was good.
and we're on our way back to Siena.
Yeah, we're going back to the model. We're going to grab our swimsuits and then head over to the Splash Water Park.
Sounds like a plan. Let's
go.
go.